Ever noticed how hot it can get inside when the weather's sizzling outside? Well, air conditioners are the go-to fix, but they're not exactly friends of the earth. They guzzle energy and spew out greenhouse gases. Cue a group of brainy folks from McGill, UCLA, and Princeton who've been tinkering with a cheap, eco-friendly way to keep buildings cool, especially in dry, scorcher regions. They played around with special roof materials that fling heat into space, yes, even under the sun, and smart ventilation that works with rising temperatures to keep the air moving. They actually managed to get indoor temps lower than the air outside without choking off fresh airflow. A real head scratcher, since fresh air usually warms things up. Their hope? That this cool tech sparks some interest in making buildings that beat the heat naturally rather than cranking the AC.